and our focus remains on the northeastern state of Manipur, where there is some relief there as far as violence is concerned. But now the High Court has issued its directive to internet service providers. The High Court has told the state government provide limited internet services. Now, why is that? Well, because this was after multiple pleas were filed in the High Court as well, and this is an interim order. This is crucial, remember, because the government wants to also prevent the spread of misinformation because the situation remains sensitive. I'm being joined by my colleague Ratnadeep on the phone line. Ratnadeep, this interim order is crucial because, remember, the government has also said that it wants to, in a sense, stop the spread of misinformation, given the fact that the situation remains sensitive.
That's right. In fact, Manipur has been witnessing this spell of violence for more than 1.5 months. In fact, from since May 4, internet services have been suspended, including broadband services, and therefore, common people have been facing problem, and therefore, several PILs were filed in the Manipur High Court. In fact, a separate PIL was also filed in Supreme Court, but Supreme Court said that since the Manipur High Court is hearing, so they would let the Manipur High Court only hear. So, Manipur High Court, in an interim order, has asked the state government to provide limited internet services to the public and some of the designated places under the control and supervision, under the close monitoring of the state authorities. Now, this is an interim order. The High Court will hear this PIL once again on June 23. Now, the High Court has also asked internet service providers like Vodafone, Idea, Jio, BSNL and Airtel to file a short affidavit explaining whether there is a feasibility of providing limited internet to the public by blocking social media websites and by safeguarding the concerns of the state government to maintain law and order. And as you have rightly pointed out, one of the reasons why Manipur is witnessing such a prolonged internet ban is because of the ongoing, violence which still, is shimmering, given the fact that there have been sporadic incidents even last week. And the state government is of the opinion that in order to maintain law and order and in order to, keep away rumor mongering and spread of fake news, they have to keep the internet off. But the High Court is now of the opinion that at least some limited access should be given. In fact, internet points where the government can monitor needs to be opened up to help students in terms of admissions and other online services, keeping the social media shut. Now, already in the state capital, Imphal, the Department of Information Technology for the past couple of days have opened up at least one facility for the common people to come and surf internet for essential purposes. Right. In fact, we have reported about 2 days back from that facility, and now one has to wait and watch in terms of after this High Court order whether this kind of facilities now come up in other districts as well as in remote areas. Remember, in remote areas, internet has been also part of governance, and therefore how the state government now implements it will be something that to look forward to.